Hello folks, thank you for joining me. Join us just as we're transiting the Tweed Valley. And, this is a fool's gold practice day. And the plan is to head down towards Carlisle on the A7. And then it'll be pounding out the miles on the motorway down towards Tenby and the M6. Whereupon we will join the M6, oh sorry, down to Tenby, and then, I was lucky, and then cut back with the Dales towards Kirby Stevens, so we cut back on ourselves to pick up the A66 again. Oh, that's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, yeah, so we pick up the A66 again towards Scotch Corner on the A1M, and we will fuel up at Scotch Corner and then make our way north, homeward bound on the A1M, leaving that on the 697, I think it is. Work our way back up to Coldstream, across to Kelso, Galashiels and home. That's the plan for today, so it's 300 miles in total. And the first stop should be about 3.5 hours out, so that's quite good. And that'll be a splash and go. So I'll have to try and time the fuel stop, the actual stop itself. Should be a good day. And obviously I'll spare you the motorway portion of it. Much as I love the A7 as a riding road, it's not the most interesting to watch if I've learned that over the years of filming. But I'll put a few snippets in. I'll probably pause very briefly. Oh, maybe not pause, I can turn it off from here. Oh, I missed that. So you might notice we have a slightly different camera setup. The only difference being the mounts. We've got it a much higher. It's about eye level, hopefully, and it has the ability to go much higher using that, which would be good here in a really scenic area, but also using that mount, dead easy just to take it off if you go somewhere, put a film there at the sites or whatever, put it back on, there you go. It's an RS1. I might swap out the 360 part for going filming somewhere. We've just gone into Selkirk on the outskirts. Crossing the Tweed. There we go. Full flight after last night's yesterday's rain. See me? Yeah, see me. Yeah, I used to live in Selkirk. Lived here for a few years. Actually quite enjoyed it, and I think I've had If the house, I loved the house I had, it would have been a bit of a money pit. It would have taken a lot of work, but I would have quite happily done that. If it had been in a different part of town, I never thought of it. I've never lived in the centre of a small town, and boy was it noisy. Very noisy. Some disgusting behaviours, which I won't go into details about, the locals. So we're left here, but yeah, I quite liked it in Selkirk, I must admit. Oh, smell of sausages just there. Here. It's been nice to come down the A7 and you get rusty after a while. I was one ride between December and early March. The last ride was up there. not the raspberry. The one that says first round of 23 was early March. And you get a skill atrophy, definitely. And I'm not that skillful. You can notice the atrophy. However, just these out, take it nice and casual. It's you can feel the confidence coming back a little bit. Yeah, not that there was a lack of confidence, but it's just you that didn't push it. And to be honest with you, I don't want to ride like that anyway. To be fair, I've only known one or two people that have been from Langholm. I can't what you call folk for Langholm. Apart from Langholm folk. Oh, it seems a funny wee place. Does seem a bit out of the way. There's a wee cafe here on the right. Yeah, that one. Good cafe. Popular with the bikers. And there's a road just before that cafe on the left. It's a good wee road. I'd argue it's maybe not the best for this bike. It can be done. It goes up over the moors to Newcastle, which is in the middle of nowhere. Sometimes wonder why it was made in the first place. Towns that seem isolated now, and think, why was that there? It must have been, the settlement must have been there for a reason. You could have a decent night. There's a few pubs and things, a couple of chippies and restaurants. Always surprises me that there's a fuel station here. Give me your tonnage. Houses. There we go. Try to see if this is on. I think it is. Here we are, folks, just about to get onto the M6, and we'll see you again at the exit that we're going to take, which is at Tebby think it's called.